Easy. Where are you going? Where are you going with this giant scoop?
Well, I don't want to double dip.
You're not even dipping. How are you gonna take that bite? You're on camera.
What are you saying? I'm an ugly biter?
No, I'm saying that's a giant dip for a bite, any bite. Get it on camera, zoom in, okay? Bovelle soft cheese.
It looks similar to another type of cheese.
So if you've been in the store and you have shopped for another B branded soft cheese, this is very similar. This is being made by Mariposa Dairy in Lindsay, Ontario.
Oh, Lindsay.
Yeah, so not far at all. Using all Ontario dairy. It's a great product. Price is great as well, so you'll find that it's very competitively priced. It's an up and coming. They've got their own mix of garlic and herbs in this one, but there's other flavors as well. But we're gonna do a dip that I had seen that I really wanted to try. We use this as the base, and then it's kind of like you make a bruschetta on top in order to finish it off. So, one or two of these, depends on how hungry you are and how many people are coming over. We are in the grocery store at Sharon, Ontario, and there are lots of people here today, so we're gonna use two. I like this one a lot. Comes in a airtight container.
Oh, that's a good package.
Yep. Again, this one has a best before date. Ooh, man, that's about 10 weeks from today, so lots of shelf life on it. So nice thing about these, sometimes you buy an extra one, especially when they're on sale, and you can put them in your fridge and you don't have to worry about them going bad.
Is there like a section that peels off?
Yeah, but all four corners. And what we're gonna do for this one is we're just gonna put it in the bottom of a kind of shallow bowl. Okay. No.
All right, you just do that.
And what I'm gonna get you to do is use the back of a fork and
flatten it out?
Flatten it out to but to a really nice kind of, like a dip style layer. While you do that, I'm just gonna do like a traditional bruschetta. 3 Roma tomatoes. So we're gonna de-seed them. I know it seems like a shame, but we are just gonna run the knife through, take out the juice. Sometimes people wanna keep the inside, which you can if you like. And again, we use Roma tomatoes because there's more meat in them.
Meat in a tomato?
Yeah, you know, meat, like flesh, like body.
I know.
You know, when you have a tomato that's full of water, it's good for a sauce. Well, I shouldn't say water, but juice. But it's not good for a dip or like a salsa, right? So that's why Roma tomatoes are always used. And I love Roma tomatoes. Okay, how garlicky you want it?
I'm not afraid of garlic.
Garlic's good for you? Keeps mosquitoes away?
Apparently. And vampires?
Olive oil, salt, pepper, and balsamic glaze.
And this just gets poured on top?
This goes on top nice and pretty. How's it look?
Pretty.
Yeah?
Almost like I don't want to eat it.
Let's not be ridiculous.
I'm excited to try it. Right. And I just saw these sourdough crackers.
Yeah, right? Everything's sourdough. I feel like you still might need a spoon.
Just scoop it on, yeah, because it's like a thicker spread.
Nah, see, that's good. That's a good scoop right there.
That's really good.
It is really good.
Have cheese on my face?
Nope. What else were we gonna say?
You can do the speaking.
Okay, so this is really good. You never know how things are gonna turn out until you try and make them. The tomato with the olive oil and the balsamic goes really well with the Bovelle.
We will definitely have this at our next gathering.
This is really good. That was
really
really
good.
easy to make too. It's very colorful and pretty. And I feel like this would hold up on a table for a while. Like, you know when you have like parties and you put food out and then like an hour later everything kind of looks like gnarly? I think this would actually hold up really, really well.